Master of Computer Application. I worked as a data science and a machine learning intern at Zaalima Development. During my internship, I worked on two major projects. But coming to my first project is Lexicon AutoScan. It's a legal document extraction. It extracts entities like name, parties, and informations. And coming to my second project is a vision spec, which is based on computer vision. It detects the PCB images in a computer, detects the detections. It's a pass or fail detections. I gained hands-on experience in machine learning, NLP, and computer vision. I learned how to learn AI end-to-end AI solution in a real-world project. The team was a very supportive, and the mentorship was ultimately understanding. It makes me understand two complex concepts in easier way. Another thing is coming to my favorite moment. The favorite moment was seeing my projects working real time practically. The experience was improved very nicely. This experience improved my interest in data science and machine learning to growth professionally in my career way. My advice for future interns to stay consistency, learn, keep learning, and gain the opportunities which is provided. Overall, it was a great experience, and thank you.
Hello, my name is Inderdev Singh, and currently I am pursuing masters at Chandigarh University. Recently, I completed my data analytics internship at Zaalima Development. So during this internship, I worked on the project titled Hybrid Model for Car Price Prediction using the XGB bar and extraordinary regressor, where I used to combine both the models to improve the accuracy of price prediction. This project helped me the strength of my skills in machine learning, data processing, feature engineering, and model evaluation using Python libraries like Pandas, Scikit-learn. The work environment was supportive with the collaborative team and the mentors who provide constant guidance and encouragement. One of my favorite moments was presenting my final model and receiving positive feedback from the team. This internship has inspired me to pursue a deeper career in data science and machine learning. To further interns, I would advise stay courage asking questions for being prospective in the learning. Overall, it is a high valuable experience, and I am grateful to Zalima Development for this opportunity and mentor.
Hi, I'm Sanika Pawar, a computer science and AIML student. I interned as a data analyst at Zaalima Development in 2025. During the internship, I worked on a data analytic platform that included modules for data ingestion, ML modeling, NLP analysis, and real-time dashboards. I built visualizations using Plotly, implemented ML models, and automated reports using Python libraries like Report Lab and Docs. I learned a lot from structuring real-world projects to apply ML and NLP in production settings. One of my favorite parts was seeing the platform come together end to end. It boosted my confidence and helped shape my goal to work in data analytics or ML engineering. Overall, it was a great experience. Everything was well organized except for the stipend, which could be improved. I'm thankful for the opportunity and highly recommended this internship. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Raj Vikram and I am engineering graduate, and during my internship I worked primarily in back-end development and system design. During my internship I had the opportunity to work on some really interesting projects. One of the key project I worked on was Logitech 360, the real-time fleet management and predictive maintenance system. In this project I mainly responsible for backend architecture and API development. Using fast API, I worked on features like telemetry data ignitions, WebSockets based real-time tracking, and predictive alert system. On on the cha- uh, one of the challenge I faced was holding real-time data efficiently while maintaining system performance. Solving this helped me improve my problem solving skills and gave me hands-on experience with scalable system design. Throughout the internship, I learned a lot of technical skills such as working with fast API database like PostgreSQL and TimeScale DB, Redis, and background task process using Celery. I also improved my understanding of system architecture API design, and test practice. The work environment was very professional and supportive. The team was collaborative, and everyone was open to discuss and knowledge sharing. I created a positive environment where the learning felt natural. I also received a great mentorship during the internship. The guidance and from the mentors helped me understand industrial level coding, standing due, standing standards, debugging techniques, and how to approach real world problem efficiently. One of my favorite moments was successfully completing the real-time streaming features and seeing the live data reflecting on the dashboard. That was very satisfying because I brought together everything I had learned. This internship has significantly influenced my career goal. It is a strength. My interest is backend development and during scalable building a scalable system, and I am now more confident about pursuing role in this domain. For future interns, my advice would be to be stay curious and ask questions and try to understand the why behind everything you build, and also don't hesitate to take the ownership of task. I really say accelerated your learning. Overall, my experience during the internship was extremely valuable. I especially like the hands-on learning approach and the opportunity to work on real world project. If I had to suggest one improvement, I would I would to include even more collaborating session or code reviews for deeper learning. Thank you.
My name is Nehanand Dikshit Thakre. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from JD College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur, in the Information Technology branch. I recently completed my 3 months internship in Zaalima Development Private Limited as a Java full stack trainee. In this, I have done 2 major projects. First one is fintech banking application, and second one is enterprise hospital management system. Basically, fintech banking application system, it is used for securing user friendly features, securing features, banking features, etc. And in this it is used for handling the transactions, managing all the customer details, etc. And second one is hospital management system. Basically, it is used for scheduling the appointments, doctor management, patient modules, all etc. For scheduling this is used. Basically, these are the major projects which are used for developing my front-end development skill, back-end development skills. And basically it is used using by Java, Spring Boot, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and Postgres SQL. And thank you so much, Zaalima Development, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. It helped me very lot. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Sharma and I am currently pursuing Bachelor's of Computer Applications from ITM University, Gwalior. I recently completed a 3-month web development internship at Zaalima Development from March to June 2025, where I worked as a full-stack developer specializing in merge-stack development. During my internship, I primarily worked on an e-commerce platform which was a comprehensive full-stack application built using MongoDB, Express.js, React and Node.js. My role involved leading the backend development from scratch, where I created the entire server architecture, database models and API endpoints. The most challenging aspect was implementing a multi-role authentication system that supported regular users, admins, super admins, and vendors as well. I integrated Google Auth and Facebook Auth for seamless user login and built an SMTP-based email automation system for password recovery and user notification. The mentorship I received was exceptional. My supervisors provided regular guidance and best practices, code optimizations and industry standards. They encouraged me to take ownership of features and supported me through challenging technical problems. My most memorable moment was when I successfully implemented the complex vendor approval workflow system, which streamlined my entire vendor promotion process by 40%, seeming the application handle its first 500 concurrent users without any issue was incredibly rewarding. It was the moment I realized that the code I wrote was making a real impact on actual users and business operations. This internship has solidified my passion for full stack development and has inspired me to specialize further in building scalable web development applications. I am now particularly interested in exploring microservices architecture and advanced database optimization techniques. The experience has motivated me to pursue roles where I can work on large scale applications that serve thousands of users. Overall, this internship exceeded my expectations. What I liked was the trust placed in me to handle critical features independently while having support available when needed. The program provided real hands-on experience with production level applications. If I had to suggest one area for improvement, it would be to include more structured code review sessions to help interns learn from different coding approaches and industry best practices. This internship has been a transformative experience that has prepared me well for my future career in software development. I am grateful for the opportunity and would highly recommend Zaalima Development Internship Program to other aspiring developers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Prapti Singh, a software development intern here since February. I worked on the ShopSkill and Mendex project using Java, Spring Boot, and Angular, which really sharpened my full stack skills. The environment at Zalima is collaborative, and my internship helped me transition from a student to developer. This internship has been a great launchpad for my SDE career. My advice to newcomers: be proactive and keep learning. Thanks, Zalima
Hello
Development.
everyone, my name is Otsup Nakarmi and I'm currently studying Bachelor's in Computer Application at Thames International College. I'm here today to share a few things on my recent internship as a data science and machine learning intern at Zaalima Developments. During my time here, I was given the opportunity to work on two key projects. The first one was fraud detection system, where I built an exhibit model to identify suspicious financial transaction in real time. A key challenge was handling imbalanced data, which I addressed through Small. The second project was AI-based resume screening system, where I use NLP and support vector machine to automatically classify resume and help to streamline HR processes. This experience has solidified my passion for data science and has made me eager to pursue career in this field. For any further intern, I would advise you to be curious and take ownership for your own project.
Hi everyone, my name is Roshanar and I am currently pursuing my MCA in Nitte Meenakshi Institute of Technology, and recently I have completed my 3 months of internship in Zaalima Development as a data analyst, and from this internship I have gained the knowledge on how a data analyst work and various tools, and worked on a project as well. From those projects I have gained the knowledge like how the data will be cleaned, etc. And I would highly recommend for freshers to join Zaalima Development for their internships, and overall it was a very great experience and I truly believe it one of the best learning opportunities for my career. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Dilipan Balasingham and I just completed 3-month internship as a UI UX designer at Zaalima Development. During my time here, I had the opportunity to work on two major projects. The first project is Hybdrop. Hybdrop is an e-commerce app, and second project is Link. This is medical mobile application, and I will truly developed my skills in user research, wireframe, and interactive prototype. The mentorship helped the bridge the gap between creative design and real world user needs. And gratefully to the team for opportunity and excited to carry their skills forward. Thank you.